Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Your old buddy Tim back with another quick video, and this is another walkthrough before video. This is another flip house that we just closed on this morning, and I thought I would give you a quick tour. It's a little different than the other flip house we've got going on that was just really nasty and bad shape. This one's actually in really good shape. It just needs some cosmetic. We're going to be looking at really just doing minor upgrades on this one. We've got to replace some really nasty carpet. We're going to upgrade the kitchen. Basically, we're going to put a little bit of time, effort, and money into it so we can raise the bar on the resale value of this. So I thought I'd just give you a really quick informal video. This house is actually located out toward the town of Triana. It is a Madison school address, though. It's a Madison address. I believe this is Bob Jones School District. So even though it's south of the city, down Zert Road, it is still annexed into the city of Madison. And the kids here go to Madison schools. It's about 1,700 or so square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, good-sized lot on a really nice established neighborhood, as I said, in South Madison. So give you a quick tour. This is the front door. Hardwoods, the house is only a couple of years old, so it's got some pretty good hardwoods, got some good windows. We're not going to have to scrape popcorn or do any of that stuff, but we are going to paint. This house, number one, it's been lived in hard for the last couple of years, and it does need painting. Everything is white. And so we're going to come back in and we're going to do what Chelsea calls the repose gray. It's just a shade of agreeable gray. So we'll do that all throughout. This is a lipstick flip, meaning it's mostly cosmetic. We're not going to tear anything out in this one. We're just going to come in and make it a little better. All right, so dining room here opens up into the kitchen. Good sized kitchen. I actually like the black cabinets. I didn't think I would, but I do. So what are we going to do in here? Now you see this is kind of plain Jane. Just the cabinets, the appliances there. You've got a good pantry here. Refrigerator goes there. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to spruce this up a little bit. And how are we going to do that? Number one is we're going to replace this countertop. This is just for mica. We're going to come back in probably with a granite or a quartz. And then we will do a backsplash there. So it doesn't look so vanilla. You know, if you look at it right now, that's just a lot of white. A lot of white. So we will come back in all the walls. We will paint with the repose gray. We will do a granite or quartz in here, and we will do a backsplash just to make this stand out a little bit. It's already got good lighting. We don't have to do anything electrical or plumbing wise. Like I said, it's only 2 years old. This carpet, you know, when I first walked it, I thought, well, maybe we can steam clean this. I just don't think we can do it. There is some pretty heavy stains there. They had kids, they had dogs, and the carpet shows it. So we're either going to, we are. I think we're going to do the LVP. We're going to see if we can't match this and just run it through the rest of the house. If we can't match that, well, then we've got to get creative. But in here, we will replace the flooring. We've got some paint, some touch-up to do. Again, it's just been lived in. Not bad at all, though. It will be nice to get the gray in here to break up this white. It's got a wood-burning fireplace, got a tile surround, got a hearth, a mantle there. Not bad at all. But you see, it's a really good space. This is the living area, kitchen right there, dining room right there. And again, I do like the black cabinets. It's a 3-2. It's got a 2-car garage on the front. When you come through the garage, you come into the laundry room, which is here. They built these shelves. These are going away. We'll put up some nice wire racks or something. But good-sized laundry room. And, you know, I don't know if we'll come back in here with carpet or hardwoods. We just got to figure that out. This was a kid's room, and apparently they like stickers because they are all over this wall. And so all of those are going to have to come down. Our guys will mud patch, make it pretty. They'll paint it. Good sized bedroom though, with a nice sized closet. Bedroom number 1, that is a cable coming down for the computer. All right, so bedroom number 1. Then we've got a nice hall bath, which we will probably do nothing in here because it already has a good tall vanity. If we get a nice piece of granite or quartz, inexpensive, we'll put it there. But otherwise, this bathroom is good to go. This bedroom, this was the little girl's bedroom. There are glow-in-the-dark stars on the ceiling. But this is the cool thing. Check this out. They actually built a climbing wall in the kids' room. Now that's pretty cool, but it's going to go away. So if my son-in-law Ammon wants to tear that out and take it to his house, I know the boys would absolutely love it, but they'd probably fall and break an arm. So I think we'll just tear it out and send it on its merry way. So very cool, though. That's a good parent right there who will do something like that for their kids. I know because I did that same kind of thing for my kids when they were little. So, all right, back here is the master. And good tall ceilings in here. Got the tray ceiling as well. Really large master. Lots of room in this one. And then this is the walk-in closet. Good size walk-in closet. And then the master ensuite. Ensuite, it is French. It means bathroom. All right, we've got the black vanity there, the countertops, mirror lighting. I don't think we will do anything in this bathroom other than paint the walls. It just doesn't need it. We have a very tight budget on this. You got soaker tub, you got the shower, and you got the shitter. So, and yes, that is the technical term for the toilet in a house, is the shitter. All right, so let's go take a look outside. I'm not going to show you the front of the house. There's lots of neighbors out, and every time I walk around with a selfie stick, people want to know what the heck I'm doing. What does it look like I'm doing? Do you think I'm breaking into a house with a selfie stick? Some people do. Okay, so let's just take a look at the outdoor space. Got a covered porch here, and we will pressure wash all of the outside here. A lot of chalk. Get rid of that mess. Good sized yard though. That will be coming to my house for the boys. That, if anybody wants that, come get it. It's all yours. Okay. So, not a big backyard, but good and private. See, the houses behind are up on a level, so you're not going to have people looking down at you. So, good size yard. Good size. All right. Okay, so I think that's it. Again, this is a little different from the flip that we've got going on that I showed you in a video this week. That house is a complete gut. This one's just completely cosmetic. We are going to come in again, paint, countertops in the kitchen, do backsplash, and then we will look at replacing the nasty carpet with something a little nicer. Price point, I'm not sure where we're going to price this one yet. It just depends on what we have to do to it and the money that we have to spend. So, all right, guys, that was just a quick look. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, don't hesitate to call. My contact information is below. All right, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.